All right, we're here.
You got the approval from, what's your name again?
All right, aloha, talofa, malo lei, pulovinaka. Kia ora. Here at PCC, Polynesian Cultural Center, here in the North Shore. Laie. Emma, how is it, Puraka? Welcome back to another video. Puraka, in a minute. About 12:15, 12:20 here in Hawaii.
Ke tulo mo e lupe he taua mo e lai o ne imala e kula kahala hale a kou whanga e kolosi he a kau whakalawa.
Get off the camera. There you go. Oh, Dad, that's me. Bro, that's literally me.
How many islands? One villages? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 villages. Oh.
Bro, you gotta go here. Go here first. Yeah. And they even got our flag. So worth. And if you keep going, you'll see the map.
Oh, this is the buffet area. I don't think we're getting the buffet. I don't think our tickets have the buffet.
Yeah.
Oh, the luau is over there. Way Hawaiian island villages. Which island you guys want to go first?
Samoa.
Village. Which village? Joseph Kekuku. Como Kekuku. Outside, you have to go out.
There you go, Grandma.
Thank you.
They have the temple. You know what the Samoan word for Mormon church? Mamonga.
Oh, I've heard that before. So that was just for
Or
you
just to get in?
Just to get in and get out.
Okay. Olha lá, macaxo. Olha lá, como lá, macaxo. Ah, qual que é macaxo? Vai.
This, friends, is Earth Mother. To us, she's the wonder of nature and the beauty of our islands. Maybe it was her voice that brought you all here to Hawaii.
You're actually going to hear a lot of voices today. But be sure to listen to the voices of the people you cannot see. Like those who built this Polynesian Cultural Center over 60 years ago. They came from across the Pacific with hammers and saws and coconut ropes and tree trunks.
And Tapuan traditions like singing and dancing.
The skills and crafts that makes us who we are.
Now they came because they felt a call to help the young people of Polynesia, and they answered that call by creating the 6 island villages that surround this lagoon.
Their plan was simple, to share the cultures of Polynesia with all of you, our honored guests. It was their way of doing what ancient Hawaiians called huki, pulling in the fishing nets, drawing in the fish. In other words, gathering the world to experience the spirit of these islands.
So now that you've come, and now that huki is alive in you, lean in.
Look deep.
And take a magical step into our world.
Our family, our ohana.
Malolele.
Tawopa.
Bula.
Kia ora.
Yaurana.
Aloha.
Okay, everyone, say hello to our cousins from the Kingdom of Tonga. That's the first village just right over here.
You know, Captain James Cook called them the Friendly Islands. And that's because Tongans truly know how to kauhiwa, how to make connections and stay connected.
That's right, Kai. It's the reason they'll give you the very shirt off their back and even the food off their table.
And why they dance and cheer like there is no tomorrow. Because Tongans truly know how to celebrate each other.
And you know what? They're waiting to celebrate you in the Kingdom of Tonga!
Oh, there's some Tongan moves. Lexi. Kelly knows how to do it. Come on,
Let's learn for the people of Tonga, everyone.
Ancestors, how they worked and played together just like this. Take a look. That's our ancient Sickan English poet. His name was Rapa Nui. He called the Samoans the happy people.
That's right, family. Come see me in this village right over here. You'll smile.
You'll laugh.
You'll be happy because things work out.
Like when we don't have a drum for drumming, we just use a woven mat or even a tin can.
Or even our own skin, like when we slap dance.
See, we may not have everything others have, but we have each other, and that makes us happy. Talofa.
Wala rin umangay ay.
Ha?
Wala rin umangay ay.
Iya, pangalan mo ba kayo?
You remember any of this? We brought you here when you were young.
Yeah, I remember some.
You remember some of it? Oh, that looks like Rapa Nui Island. Easter Island. Oh yeah, Rapa Nui.
It is hot.
Yeah, it is hot. Humidity, yeah. Very humid. Deve qua uma le show. In uma vai. Om het versale halle pule. Versal mal mal kapo ayo le. Itu luk mamong ale versal. Eu ka ko ile moko Rapa Nui Easter Island. Essa tua lá, come on. Masau. Ya, deu ka ko maling ule Rapa Nui. Kong PCC. Ya. Yo Tonga ere como eu. Eu falei ongan mere. Ah, falei full up. Ja. Ja. Fai sa ka fare fa però. Samoa. Nghĩ offer your family vào rồi được không?
Tonga has never been colonized or occupied by any foreign power. Thank you. Because of this, our current reigning monarch is King Tubolga VI, and his royal lineage dates back unbroken for over 1,000 years. If you'd like to learn more about rich culture, please visit us after this performance. But today we're going to showcase how we play our napa or our drums. The drummer.
Pwede makamaka may ngufalo ko.
Cameron, those pictures. Yeah,
Hola, veo lafo le ngore. Ka ngo me oh.
No, that's a different set of passport. Oh, it's passport.
La langa weaving.
How to weave. You know, like how they weave
Yeah,
the pale? Yeah.
Langa sa wako yun.
Basket. I know how to do that. You want to learn how to weave? I want to weave. I know how to. Come on, let's go.
Yeah.
Sleeping in the living room on the floor.
are naturally in the living room right now. But they'll be sleeping in the living room on the floor until they reach the age of 16 or 17. Mom and Dad will separate the girls from the boys. The girls, they'll have their own bedroom outside of the house. Dad will take all the boys outside, build their own house outside.
Okay, we're gonna go in, up into them, over the second, all the way to the bottom. Am I gonna hand you? It's following the second. No. You need to do out the number.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Why does this work? Mine's too fat. That means no win.
Alright, who's got the fastest spinner?
Me. Mine. Hold on.
No,
give me a
hers
second.
sucks.
Look.
At that. Ew, get out.
Wait, I'm blocking the wind. I'm blocking the wind. Mine's faster.
No, that's really sucky. Bro,
Yeah.
Kelly, yours is not even spinning.
Yeah, may look ako. Alright, Cameron. Went Tahiti. Hello. Look, the ulu tree, Cameron. Ja, more the ulu i Tahiti. Not better than anything. You guys getting what? What is that? Tattoo?
Yeah, the tattoo.
Come on, it'll
Take your water, Goofy.
Oh, you guys all got the same tattoo?
Yeah. Wait, Grandma, take your window back.
Amber, you want a tattoo in the middle? Yes, please.
More water.
Mom.
Should y'all take a tattoo?
Grandma, look at my tattoo.
Let me have a tattoo.
Mine is on my arm. Okay, you guys want to go learn dance? Yeah, I want to learn how to dance.
Where's Siva? Where's Siva?
Oh.
What are you eating, Cameron? Yeah, hot dog. Pretty hot out here, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, milkshake ice. May milkshake ice.
Yeah.
Wala nga pong ikaw o dates. Kaya ka mo niya?
Malona.
Come on. Ini simoy. Simoy yun nga.
Simoy aqua lang eh. Oh, strawberry na simoy.
Cameron, let me taste.
Huh?
Let me taste.
Sure.
Come on, 이러면 꿀이네.
Oh, yummy. Yeah, strawberry is good. Mahilig din ang lang.
Pangupukuan. May ako nga kwal, yidingi mayari.
Ay, yun na. Which one was the best? Yeah, the Tongan one was the best.
Oh, we haven't seen any other shows.
Nakuha siya mo mo ko yan.
Essa quase já, o caçaram.
Lavinaka family, is everything all right? Thank you.
Oh, sorry. I was like, hey.
No, we're some more.
Oh, you're gonna have a short one. Oh.
Yeah, in 15 minutes.
É, vamos comer um fora Tuo kaku kui. Mau kui me kaku.
Up today? Yeah, I'm getting all tatted up.
I'm
gonna get all of them. I got 2 out of 6.
What does that mean?
It's a navigator.
Oh, watch where you sit.
Navigator kai.
My tattoo guy.
What you got, Kevin?
Very, very happy to have you here with us. Hope you're enjoying your day so far visiting here at the Culture Center. Hope you enjoy the rest of the afternoon. Before we start this presentation, we'd like to inform you of some of the ongoing activities that we have. So you have the time, if you have the time during the day, or maybe right after this presentation, check out some of these activities. Very popular here in the islands of Fiji is our coconut oil making demonstration. If that interests you, the process of making coconut oil, extracting oil from coconut milk and coconut cream, it's been demonstrated in our kitchen, direction where I'm pointing at by the bridge, that little hut by the bridge, that is our coconut oil making demonstration. Also very popular here is our tribal tattoos. Get yourself a free tribal tattoo before you leave this area. Don't worry, we use water-based ink. You can wash it off later on this evening. Right underneath those trees where I'm pointing at, that is our kesa, our printing activity. Choose stencils or choose designs from the islands, you print it, you get to take home with you your work. Those of you who wish to take pictures, you're welcome to take pictures with our performers. They'll be assembled right behind you by that lawn area. And a kind request that you all remain seated until all of our performers have left the stage, and then you're welcome to leave this area. Let's get things rolling here in the islands of Fiji. Let's welcome on stage our musicians all the way from Chicago, Illinois. Clap along, folks. Clap, clap, clap. Pull up some more, get on the go. Kaliki maburi kaira. Ula, aloha, kiora, talofa. Yo na malole beato. Enda sabai be kune fale. Salamba kuna langimani. Enda sabi bi pakarani. Lari enda kuno langila. Olo lari enda Ula.
Because Sapa is close to the exit, so we're trying to still go there before we leave. I don't know how. Welcome to
Everyone so far?
My favorite is myself, because I'm the GOAT.
Oh yeah, Fiji was a really good one. That was a good storytelling.
Educational.
Yeah, the funniest one though was the Tongan one. That was really fun.
Yeah, that was the funniest one. I think Hawaii, the guy on the mic in Hawaii was just kind of quiet.
Kung I'm pronouncing it Maori.
Maori.
Yeah.
What is this? A restaurant?
Is this
A show? No.
We're gonna have the New Zealand show. Alright. Only got 3 minutes left on my camera.
Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Turn to the person next to you. Give them a nice big loud and proud Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Kia ora means hello, but if you break it down further,
Kia ora, Kelly. Kia ora.
It means to be alive, to be well, to be healthy.
Kia
When
ora.
you say Kia ora to the person you're talking to, you're not just saying hello, you're telling them to be alive, you're telling them to be safe, to be well, and to be healthy. Now, we welcome you here to our beautiful island of Aotearoa, New Zealand. And before we get into our Māori performing arts, we're going to talk a little bit of history.
This is the Samoan village. Oh, wow, this is a new one. What are you doing?
Fire and knife dance. That's when we fire and knife at the same time. Some of our dances today is the first time. Please watch out for any flying knife. If a knife flies over, catch it and throw it back. Good luck.